Cruise along the Rio Negro. Embark on an extraordinary Amazonian journey with our Rio Negro river cruises. Immerse yourself in the heart of the rainforest aboard a regional boat with 2 decks. For those seeking a quick yet enriching experience, our trip offers a perfect blend of exploration and comfort. Stay in private cabins with double occupancy, waking up in a new location each day for a truly immersive Amazonian experience. Extend your journey for a deeper exploration. Immerse yourself in the wonders of the Amazon, reveling in the comfort of a private cabin aboard our 2-deck regional boat, ensuring a unique and refreshing experience every day. Encounter diverse flora, fauna, and the fascinating communities along the riverbanks. Relax in air-conditioned private cabins, providing a perfect retreat after each day of exploration. Join us for an unparalleled experience.